As a content creator, are you looking for a versatile tool that combines a selfie stick and a tripod? Meet the Kentfaith Tripod Phone Selfie Stick. It's a 2-in-1 solution that's perfect for content creators on the move. Let's dive into what makes this gadget stand out. This tripod phone selfie stick extends up to 62 inches or 1.58 meters and folds down to 13 inches, making it ideal for most content creators. It supports devices up to 3 kilograms, including smartphones, GoPros, and mirrorless cameras. It comes with a detachable Bluetooth remote and a GoPro adapter for added versatility. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this selfie stick is both lightweight and sturdy. The rubber grip ensures a secure hold, and the foldable design makes it easy to pack and stash. In selfie stick mode, this tripod extends smoothly, allowing for various shooting angles. The 360 degrees horizontal rotation and 90 degrees vertical tilt enable you to capture the perfect shot, whether it's a selfie or an overhead view. When using it as a tripod, this selfie stick offers stability for your shots. The widened rubber legs ensure a firm grip on various surfaces, and the enforced locking system ensures your device stays secure at all times of use. The included Bluetooth remote pairs easily with your device, allowing you to take photos or start videos from a distance. It is rechargeable via micro USB and offers a reliable connection for your shoots. Whether you're vlogging, capturing time lapses, or taking group photos, this stick is the best choice. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for various content creation scenarios. Let's take a look at some pros and cons of this selfie stick. It's a versatile 2-in-1 design. It is lightweight and portable. It comes with an easy-to-use Bluetooth remote and supports a variety of devices like your cell phone, lightweight camera, and a GoPro. For the cons, I'll say stability may decrease at maximum extension. Now, this comes to play only when you're using it outdoor on windy days. I used it at a tennis court to record my game, and at a point when it got so windy, I was concerned because it started wobbling. So I had to reduce the height and then put it behind the windbreaker to be able to reduce the wind. So if you intend using this as a tripod outdoors, I would advise you don't extend it all the way up, just bring it down a bit. And also you can have a lightweight sandbag to place on the legs to make it much more stable. The next one is that the remote uses micro USB instead of USB-C. Considering most devices are moving to Type-C, I would expect a Type-C on this device, hopefully in the next upgrade. The Kentfaith Tripod Phone Selfie Stick stands out as a multifunctional tripod for content creators. Its combination of a selfie stick and tripod, along with thoughtful features like the Bluetooth remote, make it a worthy addition to your content creation tools. Use the link in the description of this video to place an order and get a whopping 20% discount. And remember, they have more items on their website. Kentfaith is your #1 choice for photo and video products. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Check out the link in the description to learn more about this tripod. Thank you for watching.